Thursday, January the 9th, 2024. Travelers Rest, South Carolina, U.S. Highway 276. We are heading back east. The sun's going to be in our eyes. We're heading back to the shop. We just bought that door. We're going to stop up here somewhere and rearrange the door. Make sure it's going to be okay on the ride back. I'm hoping it'll work. It's a manual roll-up door. The mirror is a manual mirror. I'm trying to find a new mirror. It's probably going to be over $150. I'm hoping this door would have all the power. I'd just be able to stick it right on and plug it in. But that's not going to work. We should have turned in there. She got us going straight or turning? What's she got us doing? She's got us going right. Yes, 25 south. Selling this for 12 miles. We'll pull over somewhere. Got a bunch of sewer taps up there. Bunch of new stuff. Coming soon. We'll stop at that Ingles. When we see that Ingles, we'll stop and check out their lunch and then rearrange this door. We'll go ahead and eat our banana. Back to the Ingles, or when we get through the Ingles, we'll also decide which way we're going. If we're going straight back down 85 or whether we're going to take a more scenic route. 7 minutes. Gas 269. It wouldn't hurt my feelings a bit if this Ingles had some cabbage. What kind of meat would I want? I don't eat a whole lot of fried chicken. I could get something if they always have chicken. I could get either get some rotisserie chicken or baked chicken, cabbage, maybe some green beans. Cabbage is not one of their main vegetable lines. They usually have mac and cheese, mashed potatoes, green beans, maybe some peas, sometimes collards or turnip greens, but cabbage is more rare. Get ready to pull up, or that old slabs, or that slabs ready to build on. Up here, it looks like there may still be some stuff from the downturn. Yeah, the glass should be the same. Now, the mount, I don't, I just don't know. I don't know anything about bodywork. So I don't know what I'm getting into about switching over all my power stuff into this door. And the lock, I don't want to have to change keys. Maybe, hopefully it'll make a couple of good videos. I'm learning stuff I've never wanted to learn. South Carolina. Quite certain I've never been here before. I possibly could have cut through, especially because we're sort of close to Clemson too. I did do some videos coming through. We need more viewing time. We need more watch time and views and watch hours.
In a quarter mile, turn right.
We need more subscribers. Heck, even if you don't watch the videos, just turn it on your computer and let it run. As long as it's not costing you, data or anything, it's not hindering you. Just run a video a day. 2 a day, 2 a week, something. Just run some extra videos to get me some viewing time,
then turn right.
Views and watch hours. Need them bad. Okay, Mr. Ingle, let's see what you got. We're going to face the other way. Well, we don't need to, I don't guess. The sun's not too bad right yet, but we will. We'll face the other way, see what they've got for lunch, or whether we're going to get something different. That Ingles didn't have much of anything that we wanted. Still looked like a pretty good deli, but nothing that we wanted. So we're back on US 25. And so this is an odd number, so we're heading south. Yeah, I saw a thing that said significant snow in Livonia tomorrow morning. We need to load the Jeep rear end up. So we'll have better traction. I've seen several Chevrolet vans up here for sale. Although there's a lot of growth going on up here, it's not like Georgia. Not as much so anyway. Maybe a place to find a van where there's not as much contractor demand. Of course, you can find them down around Atlanta now, but they're newer and more expensive. We're just going to snack on stuff we've got here in the van until we get further down. We're not worried about trying to get something to eat here. Doggone it. We need to get over in that left lane, I think. Definitely need to speed up, don't we? So we've probably been on this West Blue Ridge, whatever. He probably came across from left to right, from north to south. There's a bunch of vans over there. Recycling over there. This afternoon, we're going to check with LKQ. We may have been able to get a door cheaper. I meant to check with them, I forgot about it. Yeah, right. Be less. You're going to pay premium, and you're going to pay premium interest. You'll pay 4 times as much for a vehicle. But for people that can't get credit, not much else they can do. Okay, what do we want to do? We want to go straight. Let's put but not that much. I think we have some good South Carolina video. You can check them out. The Chevrolet church bus over there. Black 10 wouldn't cut off a while ago. I had to let it cut off, but then it wouldn't turn off completely. It stopped recording. Couldn't get it to turn off, so I ended up having to take the battery out. The GoPro Black 10 has been through some stuff. I tried to tear it up once. It gave me trouble, and I've had a lot of trouble with it. But it gave me a bunch of trouble one night. I was trying to get a train or something up in Calhoun, Georgia. And I got mad enough in it, I was literally beating it on the concrete. And it started working. And it's worked pretty good ever since then. But I was beating it hard too. I wouldn't have beaten it easy. So it will take a beating. Keep working, whether they work right or not. Another issue, but they'll keep working. I guess we need to get back over in that right lane. Okay, motorheads, wrench heads, here's one for you. Sun Equipment. How many of you have seen and used one of these? I'm going to upload this as a short. Here in Kingsland, Georgia, right off US Highway 17. We also got some Goodyear tire signs up there. There's all kind of stuff here. If they sound an alarm, we're going to run across these rocks.